Okay. That's PAP Beat. He's here to pick us up.
Oh, got killed in
In a rabbit suit.
Oh my god.
Hey there, amazing people. Welcome back to Silver Young Studio. I'm thrilled to have you join us for episode 2 of our Thailand adventure series. Today's episode is extra special as we're heading north to experience something truly unique. We'll be visiting home of our friend PAP Beat, one of Thailand's most prominent Hmong artists, and his wonderful family. Get ready for an intimate dinner experience, followed by an exclusive look at the vibrant Hmong New Year celebration in Khek Noi. But this episode takes an unexpected turn when we receive some difficult news that affects PAP Beat and his fiancée participation in our journey. It's a reminder that even the best laid travel plans can change in an instant. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our adventure-seeking community. Now let's explore Thailand together. Good morning. We are checking out of our hotel and heading out to Khek Noi. Our driver just got here earlier and we're about to take off to go to Khek Noi to hang out with Pat and his family. So we will keep you guys updated. We are leaving. This is baby driver, huh? Okay. And everybody's getting inside the car. Hi guys!
Hi! Hi from everybody's reaction. Everybody's reaction.
Our trip from Bangkok to Khek Noi took 8 hours, including stop to use the bathroom, eat lunch, and get gas. The curvy mountain roads and traffic made the trip longer, but we didn't care. Thailand's beautiful countryside was worth seeing. We saw villages, farmers working in rice fields, and beautiful temples in the hills. We stopped at roadside restaurants to try their famous noodles and stretch our legs. The weather was perfect this time of the year. The best time to visit Thailand is December and January. We even sung karaoke songs in our fancy van while we drive north. Alright, last break before we get to Khek Noi nè. Charlie bé cho bao nhiêu nathi? Bao nhiêu nathi? Bé ta tờ tờ là sẽ không ná đó. Khi nó nếp bao đó, bé chờ mua bé 7. Mua vừa ít cho khổng bé 7. Tôi ăn hút sẽ của bố là cho 7 nữa. Cho lâu là nhiều rồi. Wow. These are pickle maca. Yeah, just grab a few. Let's see what they like. Wow. This is right off the street. Check out this. Wow. That's amazing. Alright, we just arrived at the Blue Sky Hotel with the crew. And yeah, good thing they came and helped us. So you can kind of see the castle out there. You see the castle?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I
nice.
can't wait till morning to see how it looks.
Oh no, yo. This is the door to Khek Noi, guys. That's the door. That's the entrance. Inside here is a ginormous city in there. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, we're gonna wait right here. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Okay. That's PAP Beat. He's here to pick us up
Oh, got killed in
in a rabbit suit.
Oh my god.
He's taking us to his village right now.
That's so funny.
He's in his bunny suit.
Cute now.
Alright, we're in his village now. Following Pat right now.
Hey, the New Year's at night?
Yeah, that's a badass New Year. That's a lit ass New Year, dude. Why can't we have a New Year like this? Man. Play my Langi. That should be my mom.
No,
Okay.
what's going on right now? Check it out.
你这简单多回来就来多。để hết gì nè chọn đồ người chế đó
do muốn mì ca thì chỉ muốn nói ai khỏi tới hồi tụi mì ca khỏi cái chuyện gì mà nó là lấy được bao
dịp lên mỗi lần có chỉ thao đó bé hỏi Oh, they made my favorite. That's what I requested for. Đó giờ có bún chò bây giờ. Dinner at Pat's parents' house. Making Hmong food for us, and they made some bún chò because I wanted it, and so made it for us.
She smells good too.
Mà, kim khẩu con. Nó mỏ, vấn đề với bạn nó. Nó cho biết lòng nó mà.
我做呢盤饃呢，你做咩？
俾น้อยๆ幾日就食啫。
bây giờ miệng mông chỉ bên nói giả kia thế.
Nó sẽ một cái là tí này để chờ.
Cá cha
thì béo.
đã tao nó mỏ đó.
Nó cái trời chua nó hòn.
Bây giờ trong gì sao không nữa.
đã tao có bún chò đó. This is Pat's sister.
Chị bia tết lâu xỉu nó uống à.
Cái chân môi cái này.
Cái cái là nhẹ nó ha.
Ít là cái gì? That's the sound of my fart.
Có mấy mặt luôn.
Cái trò chó kia cho hổ.
Ủa nữa nói.
To còn đá kia nữa. Đón đá rồi. Đá. Một trâu kia đi. Đấy. Ok. Tàu kia tàu có bún chó nó ư. Còn cho nó đây bây giờ.
Có con đây chứ. Dù nó cá chí để đâu xíu cả.
Okay. This is the pepper. Cho có chó.
Sao hay bỏ cá?
Sao rồi?
Cá gì? Đâu?
Có đi sao cái tài hả?
Đây cũng là những nó đơn giản sao thế nó?
Thế nào? Giờ đi cũ. Tội đi đâu mà?
Ý thì trong nhà nó, cái trong nhà này.
Nhưng mà đi chụp cũng vậy. Nó có bún chó đi sao?
Good.
Có hình.
Để tiếp tiền.
Có đồ lát sẽ chấp lại.
Đây là gió mỏ gió cá mà nhờ chủ mua bé à. Ý gió mỏ cá. Giờ chủ chọn không dư sự bao xe nào cái bé mà giờ cái view cái ưu tiên nó dù còn thay dù bún nó mà chủ mất bé à nó ok mà cái cá đó. Dạ. Cái con nói lên xứ sẵn cái nó cá mới chả là những gì. Cá lô từ.
The smallest one, but it looks like.
Chỉ là tay chỉ chấp là như cá đó. Như nó như
Hey, let's go. Ôi máมื้อนี้มาได้เห็นหน้าคนงามเอ้ยรอยยิ้มเจ้าคืองอนงามเด้โอ้ยนอมีละบ่กูสอนยามนอนไอ้สิฮ้อนให้เจ้าฟังเด้อห้องเพลงให้เจ้าฟังยวกเอายวกเอา
Go silver.
Mr. Silver.
Go.
tại có thi ấy
Có chân môi. Good morning, everyone. Would you guys like to see our hotel? The view of our hotel. Yep. This is the Blue Sky Hotel by Khek Noi. This is my beautiful view. I'm gonna go do some breakfast and then to the New Year. This is breakfast morning with the guys, a team. All right. How is it? Good? Got some good.
I can't even talk.
Oh, the breakfast and the view. The breakfast and the view.
Logan.
And the weather.
Yeah.
Well, it's great. How are you? Good?
Good. Yeah.
Yeah, that's you.
All right.
Móng tay nào lù lù có.
Có tôi nói tất cả cái giờ.
That's cute.
Yeah, just keep the white shirt on.
Yeah, just keep it on, unless you want to show your belly.
Cool.
Dude, I did know him.
I got sunblock on though.
So these guys just saw David. Giờ này bao giờ David nhớ nào thế?
น้ำมอปอบเป็นแบรนด์พี่ต๊อดลงไงพี่ต๊อดปอดแล้วเจ้านี่ตัว
No, if you talk good, no, yeah.
เดี๋ยวไม่ป้องเดี๋ยวพี่ต๊อดคือตื้อให้พัดดวงก่อนกงเจ้าแบบพี่เดวิดฮะ
Yeah.
Yeah, he got international fans right here, baby.
นี่แต่หน้าเป็นหน้าจ้า
Cái này là to. Cái này là to.
พี่เดี๋ยวถ่ายรูปได้
Tiếp.
เนี่ยบุญ
Thấy đúng rồi đây mà.
To cơ.
เนี่ยบุญถ่ายเดี่ยวห้าว
Ồ, nhớ đến đây rồi dọn. IOP. Ồ, hay cơ. Ý thân gì? Nice.
พี่หังทัด
Đấy, lúc chạy cần đá với hả? Đấy, cởi cho cái gì?
Nó là high school.
Oh, high school hả? Oh, ok. Chạy cho mọi nhớ rồi. Để lo rồi này ạ. So we park here at one of Pat's high school.
Lúc chạy nó chín mua. Đến một lúc nào sao?
พี่จะเอาพี่พลอยกลับอเมริกาด้วยนะครับเลยเล่ตัวนี้เตะซื้อ
เนี่ยเกาหลีอ่ะสวยจังมูเนอร์
All right, we're going to the New Year. All right. Họ nói là chú chế lọ vậy à?
Put the chicken on the.
Chế mè vậy à?
Yo, good.เอาเลยทีเดียวมีครั้งเดียว
There's our whole crew right here. All right, so we just got into the New Year right now. and we're gonna go walk around and kind of scout out what's a good place to do our music video. Going through the new year, and this is some of the stuff that they're selling. Wow. It's like a indoor outdoor night market. There they come. Phone stuff. Shoes. What happened? Ôi chà. It's a coach. Okay, break time. She's gonna get new shoes because she can't walk in high heels.
Oh.
Yeah. She's been falling everywhere, so. All right, let's get David some Boston Adidas. Oh, these are girl shoes, huh? Yeah, Nikes. Knockoffs, huh? For sure. Half Nike?
Yo, half Nike.
Is it?
It's a
Nike.
Nike.
No Nike.
Itu thay cái gì chỉ riêng là ít là lòn lên đề ha.
Đã luôn.
Cam's smart. He went and got a face mask.
Giống mẹ là chuyện to to.
Yo.
Thế hả? Tao leo của.
Ô là mồm bia thế.
So hot. Nó trong bạn.
Ồ, này chơi thay đùa.
Có nhờ cho một để cho tỏ qua tỏ sẽ cho một tổ tịch và đảo ban không đăng lên một tên nói là tên mua một để cho tên chỉ là mua tung tên phết phết đúng trong những việc cho
Walking up.
Yep.
Okay, help me remind me. They know where to go. We don't. Oh, good. Taking. Bây giờ. Ô này thì nó dưới trống rồi.
Cái này thay nó thay rồi thay rồi.
Ồ, khả năng lúc chào bỏ bây giờ.
Cái này mà đợi nó mà do tỏ qua lo cho nó.
Oh, okay.
Ăn là thì do nó lòng gạo.
Cho lòng gạo, okay.
หมายเลข3ครับเด็กหญิงดวงแก้วแสงผ้ากระดาษครับวชีเก้าปัด
Okay, okay.
เข้ารอบสุดที่ไม่คนเดียว
เจอกันอีกแล้ว
หมายเลข
สวัสดีค่ะ
เจอกัน
หมายเลข
ไอ้ป้าไม่เงี้ย
หมายเลขก็จีหมายเลขจีครับครับหมายเลข5ค่ะเด็กหญิงไอระดาพยานหรือน้องน้ำใสเข้าถึงตั้งนาน
เจอกันอีกแล้ว
หนูตามกลางเวทีลูกตามกลางเวทีลูกกลางเวที你们学长，等下来我这里啊，เราเล่นกับต้องเข้ารอบ哎呀，เราดูจนยาดูจนยาหมายเลข
Oh, these guys are ball tossing here.
หมายเลขครับเลขเจ้าเด็กหญิงรินดาแซ่ว่าครับเป็นน้องสมาเราก็บอกเหลือที่เจเนี่ยก็เดี๋ยวบริจาคก่อนช่วย
คนอื่นที่เป็นผู้ใหญ่มาให้ค่ะ
ขอบคุณคำถามบอกอื่นให้ผู้ใหญ่นะครับช่วงนี้นะครับตอบคำถามเรียบร้อยแล้วนะครับมีเตือนยืนด้วยนะครับตื่นเต้นให้เด็กๆ6 คนเนี่ยนะไปพักก่อนให้หายเหนื่อยหายเต้นนะครับก่อนที่เขามีเสียงตื่นเต้นเรารอบหน้าให้เราประกาศรางวัลเลย
Con trai giải bây giờ chẹt quá.
ตายโม้เลยนะ
วิธีที่ชายยอบริษัทยูเรเนียประเทศไทยจำกัดจะยอมลงทุนที่บริษัทจิตวิโรจน์เฉพาะที่ร้านเราไม่ขอสปอนเซอร์ได้ไหม
Sometimes life reminds us that even the most joyful celebration can be touched by unexpected tragedy. Shortly after arriving at the Hmong New Year festival, our hearts were heavy when PAP and Ploy received devastating news about her father's accident. With profound sadness, we later learned of his passing. In times like these, we are reminded of what truly matters: family, love, and being there for one another. While PAP and Ploy return home to be with family, we carry them in our hearts as we continue our journey. We look forward to reuniting with them in Bangkok as our trip comes to a close. As we wrap up episode 2, we want to thank you for sharing this fun and emotional journey with us. Join us for episode 3 as we join Tij Laug Xab and his crew for some home-cooked meal, sing alongside some of the most influential Hmong musicians and actors of the past 2 decades, and explore breathtaking temples that make this region truly special.
Can you try too? Can. Oh, you just book him.
3 days in Thailand. Quân nhà thì mình ăn một con rau.
Hả?
Đó.
Can just book here cũng khí ghê tiền.
Until next time, from everyone here at Silver Young Studio, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please show your support by leaving a comment, sharing with friends, and subscribing to help our channel grow. We'll see you in episode 3. Shinji Dua. Bye.
Cha vua na tia lu lu cho nhẹ chi chi tua trong đời nó có tua po po lò do có tua ua chi cha vua luôn si di lu ua luang gâu mô
nhớ rong râu màu từ tua po po từ gió của xa tua po tua sai bay mong luôn nên vào to nó lùa cha cho bề châu lo rê sông bò rồi nó tuột gió tàu bò lo rê tê tia
yo linh ta e có của tàu mua tu tu có ซอ
โทรหายลีก็กูยังให้เธอขอเชิญ